My name is Priyanka and this is my new channel. Subscribe and like, and don't forget to click the bell icon, and of course comment down below if you have good suggestions about the video. So aajke what will I show you is my skincare routine. My funda is basically more skincare and less makeup. So I generally don't like applying heavy makeup on my face, and I take care of my skin more. So aajke I'll show you the basic skincare routine jeta ami generally roz kori. So first I'm starting with scrubbing. I don't scrub every day. I scrub once a week. So scrubbing is just because I need to show you people. This scrub is basically by Khadi Natural. তোমাদের কাছে better কোনো scrubbing এর বা scrubber option থাকলে let me know in the comment. And the thing which I like about Khadi Natural, this is not a promotional video of course. The thing which I like about Khadi Natural is basically they have paraben free, silicone free product. So this is completely natural and very much affordable. So this is it contains rose and papaya. It is of 50 gram if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 50 gram, and it cost me 125 rupees. I got it from Nykaa, but you can purchase from anywhere if you like this one, or else you can use yours. So basically this is yeah, you can see this. I can show you this. Yeah, so this is the product. So I'm gonna use the scrub first because scrubbing is important. It's very important because আমরা অনেকেই আছি যারা প্রপার স্কিন কেয়ার রুটিন ইউজ করতে মানে জানে না। I like applying like you know circular motion because this gives a proper structure to your face. যদিও আমার টালুর মতো। If you want, you can apply it in your neck and all because some the neck and all এগুলো বেশি exposed to sun থাকে, so এগুলো বেশি damage cells and dead cells থাকার chances থাকে বেশি সব জায়গায়। Hi, as you can see, I have quite fresh skin now. আমি পুরো ব্যাপারটা ধুলাম, ধুয়ে এলাম. It's quite hydrating and all. I love this. And so the next thing I'm gonna use is again by Khadi. No, I'm not promoting this as I already said you. আমি এটা just because I love this তাই জন্য আমি তোমাদেরকে suggest করছি. If you have a better idea then you can of course go for the better product. So this is herbal skin toner by Khadi, and it says that it cures eczema. It actually revitalizes and tones skin and control excess oil. So this is for every skin type, and it contains 210 ml, which cost me around 125. So that's quite cheap. I got this from Nykaa as well. So it is rose water. It has rose water. So I have a spray bottle to apply toner, but I don't like using spray bottle. I prefer using cotton more because cotton হচ্ছে cotton-ই. আমার এখানে মিরর নেই, আমি বেসিক্যালি ক্যামেরার ফ্রন্টের এটা মিরর হিসেবে ইউজ করছি। অ্যান্ড সি আই এম অলরেডি আ প্রো। এই যে আমি প্রো পেয়ে গেছি অলরেডি ফর ইউজিং ক্যামেরা। সো ফর দিস আই নিড আ সাবস্ক্রাইব অ্যান্ড আ লাইক অ্যান্ড আ কমেন্ট। ভিখারির মতো চাইছি আমি। So yeah, I'll just wait till this gets you know like শুকিয়ে যায় and all, it dries up. So yeah, wait for it. Hi, I'm back after drying up my face. একদম শুকিয়ে গেছে, টেনে গেছে টোনারটা। The next thing which I'll apply is of course another product by Khadi. Khadi promotion করছি মনে হচ্ছে। আর খাদির ফ্যাক্টরি নেই, আমি প্রমোশন করছি না, বাট আই লাভ খাদি প্রোডাক্টস। তোমরা এটা যে কোনো দোকানে পেতে পারো, বা ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট ইউ ক্যান অর্ডার অনলাইন, অ্যান্ড ফর ইউর কনভিনিয়েন্স আই ক্যান প্রোভাইড ইউ দ্য লিঙ্ক বিলো. I got it from Nykaa, তো আমি Nykaa লিঙ্কটা দিতে পারি, বাট বাকি তোমরা যদি অন্য কোথাও থেকে কিনতে চাও সো অফকোর্স ইউ ক্যান। অ্যান্ড বেটার কিছু বলে আমাকে জানিও। This is a moisturizer. It's a herbal moisturizer and it contains rose and honey. It, if I'm not wrong, এটা আরো অনেক ranges ছিল. Ranges I mean like অনেক papaya and carrot. If I'm not wrong, আমি মনে নেই exactly. I'll just do a research and I'll let you know. But আমার এটা বেশি পছন্দ হয়েছে because আমার পছন্দ হয়েছে. So It is silicone free, of course, and paraben free, and it contains 210 ml, which cost me 250. Yeah, 250. You know, it may be quite weird, but I like to apply moisturizer like this because it's summer now, and I don't want to have chap face with excessive chap and all. You can understand. And তাই জন্য আমি এটা একটু হালকা অ্যাপ্লাই করি এই সময়, মানে I apply every day but not that much as I do in winter. আমি একটু হালকা অ্যাপ্লাই করি because summer is here, and this is of course a good moisturizer according to me. I used a lot of things on my skin, but this product, this 3 is doing amazing and wonders on my skin. So I highly recommend these things. If you have a better recommendation than this, then of course let me know. Acha, the sunscreen which I use, this is the sunscreen. আমি এখন এটা ইউজ করব না, জেনারেলি আমি দিনের বেলা বাইরে গেলে এটা ইউজ করি. This is not by Khadi. This is not by Khadi. This is by Biotic. It contains carrot. আমি এখন দেখলাম. It contains carrot. Okay, তাই জন্য orange colored. It contains carrot, and it's Ayurvedic, of course, it's written, and SPF is 40. It's UVA and UVB sunscreen. It's for all skin type. So it contains 50 ml and it cost me 175. Again, I got this from Nykaa Zindabad. So I got this from Nykaa. You can buy it from anywhere according to you. And if I'm not gonna use this, but yeah. So if you have a better suggestion of sunscreen on gel texture, gel vest and all, just let me know in the comment below, because I am doing an intense research on a good sunscreen and really affordable rate. So let's see how it goes, and that's all I do for my skin. And yeah, so this is Priyanka signing off, and let me know in the comment below that if you like the video or not, and what else do you want to see, ba aro kichu notun variations ba ki dekhabo and all. And of course ami amar vlogs niye ashbo. Until then, don't forget to subscribe because I'm working really hard on this channel. So thank you so much. Namaskar, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, বাড়িতে থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, and of course stay home, stay safe, wash your hand. You can use soaps as well, and wash your hand, and stay safe and stay happy, and of course what? Love yourself. Tada, bye. See you later. Thank you.
Derp